What the brap is up, fellow brapsters? Cody with Two Wheels in a Tent, and in today's video we're doing a new meals for two wheels. Stay tuned, I think you're gonna like this one. Alright, brapsters, today we're cooking some New York steak. Something new for me out on the trail. Obviously I'm not on the trail. It's very cold. It's winter. It's actually Thanksgiving when I'm filming this. So perfect for food. But we got a new system we'll be using today. The FIREBOX. Nice leather case. This is the one it comes with. Introduction to the FIREBOX. Obviously I've used it. So there's plenty of tutorials out there on these, but I'll just quickly show you to the fire sticks. You can use these to hook and pull those, just like that. And when you open this baby up, the ashtray pops off. The inside bottom falls into place. Just make sure it's there. Ashtray goes under. Like so. Trusty fire kit. Going. Blackbeard fire rope. Just a fire starter. Nice and easy. And then these holes right here on the side. Just start feeding your. Use the bushcrafter. Split those up. Try and burn those down and get some coals. Then we'll put the steak on. Getting close. It's just so cold outside. Using a little more flame than coals. A little more blackened than usual, but hey. If you're curious as to what's in my fire starting kit, the video will be in the information up above somewhere here. Just click on that for that video. But let's go try this meals for two wheels. It's actually done to perfection, really. Oh yeah. So if you would like to have steak out on your adventures, that's a good way to do it. It's delicious. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Hope you have some great adventures yourself and enjoy some steak. The links to all these products will be down below, and videos to some of the other items that I used will be in the videos above. As always, stay safe and come join the adventure, baby.